The National Weather Service in Reno has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Mineral County in West Nevada, east central Mono County in east central California until 6 p.m. At 5:20 p.m. a severe thunderstorm was located over Corey, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Other locations impacted by this, nothing. Okay, precautionary / preparedness actions. If you hear thunder, go indoors. When thunder roars, go indoors.